It looks like a worker bee got, uh, it's like drowning in the kiddie pool. So I'm going to try and help it to get out of the water. I tried giving it a leaf, but it's not able to hold on to it. I think I have to gently remove it out of the water using this leaf. Yeah, I'm going to place this on the edge of this pool and see whether it can dry its wings off. It's a windy day too. Oh, okay. Now I put it on another dry surface. I think it's drying its wings very well. Yeah, it looks like he's all ready to fly up.